Is your Canon Eos Rp footage looking a little soft when shooting in 4K? Don't worry, we're diving into fixing those autofocus frustrations right now. First, ensure you're in movie mode now. Let's check your focus mode. Press the Q button to bring up the quick menu, navigate to AF method, and make sure you are using face tracking or movie Servo AF for continuous focus during recording. Next, still in the quick menu, look for the F operation setting. Ensure movie Servo AF is enabled. This tells your camera to constantly adjust focus or recording. If it's off, your focus will lock and won't adjust, leading to blurry footage when your subject moves. Now let's adjust the AF speed and tracking sensitivity. Go to the main menu, find the AF menu tab, and look for movie Servo AF settings here. Experiment with slowing down the AF speed for smoother focus transitions. Also, adjust the tracking sensitivity. Lowering it can prevent the camera from jumping focus unnecessarily. Another common culprit is focus peaking interference in the shooting menu. Disable focus peaking if it's enabled. While useful for manual focus, it can sometimes confuse the autofocus system in 4000 mode. Finally, your lens could be the issue. Some older or third-party lenses may struggle with the demands of 4K video autofocus on the Eos Rp. Try using a Canon EF lens with STM or USM motors for optimal performance. Clean your lens too. A smudge-free lens makes all the difference.